Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you the how to get into all the activities. I had some people asking me today about how to get into activities. So I know this is under my view, but all your activities will be in activities. Okay. If you go to activities, then you will see here the ones that I have scheduled for you. So the first one, I'll always pin the daily schedule at the top, and then below that you will have here are SPHE breathing exercises, our Aztec project, journaling. There's our literacy. So you can just click in on these activities and to add responses. Here I can see a couple of people have added responses. So this in our literacy, it will be so each day's activities will be linked. So that's the reading. Go into it. I think like that's Wednesday's work. Okay, so you'll find it all underneath activities. So see here, activities, and then you will also see your journal. Okay, so some people have uploaded their work already and correcting it, and so that's where you find everything that you need, all the links that you need will be under activities. Okay, thanks a million. Bye, hope that makes sense.